So all the lovely people, watching this podcast, watching this interaction, all the young and dynamic entrepreneurs, just a small message from my side. Pathfinder is going to be a life-changing opportunity for you. So come out, don't fear that, and don't, get stuck with the notion that you're not getting an opportunity to present your idea, you're not getting a chance. If you had this complaint earlier that कहाँ जाएं, कैसे जाएं, किसके पास जाएं, कैसे अपने आइडिया को पिच करें, कैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी सिक्योर करें, कैसे मेंटरशिप लें, लीगल सपोर्ट कैसे लें, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट कैसे लें. सो यू हैव अ वन स्टेप सोल्यूशन, वन door solution for all the questions that have in your mind. Pathfinder. So come over there, register yourself, be a part of the change, be a part of the evolution, come and network yourself, interact with the founders, present and showcase your ideas to the real investors. We are bringing investors from all the corners of the ecosystem. They are going to come over there with their years of experience. So try to learn from them. Even if you don't have an idea, I'll suggest you to be a part of this event, because there is going to be lots and lots of learning for you, and ultimately there will be plenty of surprises waiting for you at the Pathfinder. So come and be the part of the change.